Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. It's me, Diaryofanabujamom. So if you're new to my channel, like subscribe, click on the bell button to get you notified, so whenever I post a new video you'll be the first to get it. And today's video I'm going to be doing something obviously different from the title of this video already. Like, I want to see. This look is not necessarily, or this video is not necessarily going to say that one is better than one. After all, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so the way one turns out is because of me, not because of how maybe that tribe does the makeup itself. I'm already tired. Have not started. I'm already tired. So yeah, I'm going in with my Kudos Healthy Living Daily Moisturizing Hair Mist. I'm going in with this. I'm going to be leaving the link of a video where I used all the Kudos Healthy Living products for my daughter's hair. Don't worry, I know my face is funny looking now, but soon we're gonna be popping. So because like I feel like I'm going to be using some colors that are very particular with the Yorubas, as I've experienced, right? I know Yorubas like pepper, I know the Yorubas like greens, the ewedu is green, and then Yorubas like yellow, right? Yellows. And then for the Igbos, I feel like we like browns and blacks. We're very earthy when it comes to cultural things. Like our Ishiagu clothes are mostly reds and browns and yellow tones, all those kind of tones. Okay, I think I'm going to be doing this face for the Yoruba, this side for the Yorubas, and this side for the Igbos. Let me do my two eyebrows. Let me know that I've done it and I'm just getting into the video. Okay, so guys, I did my eyebrow using this pencil. It's just a random pencil. I'm going to be setting it with this shade. I think this is perfect. I know I'm looking like Ojuju Calabar, but please don't worry, everything will come out well. So I'm looking like serious ripe bones, all these bones. I think I'm going to do my skin work, then I will now do my eyes. Okay, for my skin, I'm going to be going in with my Ezekiel Cosmetics Photo Fix Mattifier. It feels like you're putting a layer of something that water may not pass through. Let me use that word. And then I'm going to be setting my face with my Issa and Do's face palette in this is 250 hashtag. This particular shade, I'm going to be using this middle shade to set my face. I learned that when you do this, it makes your makeup last longer. I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm going to go in with my Issa and Do's full coverage foundation in Ebony, and I'm also going in with my Issa and Do's oil control foundation in Cocoa, and I'm going to be mixing both of them. I'm going to be going in with my Ezekiel sealed makeup spray. I'm going to be spraying my brush. And then I'm going in with my Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation concealer plus concealer. And then I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in Fawn. I'm using it to brighten. And then I'm going in with my Issa and Do's Superstay Matte Foundation in Earth Tan. So I'm just blending the contour. So I'm going to be blending this one out. I don't think I've blended the contour very well, but let me blend this one before it's just dry and it becomes a problem. It's raining, guys. They'll soon take light. if you're not a Nigerian, in Nigeria when it's raining they mostly take light, like they take light. So no matter, even if it's drizzly, they take the light. So I know they will soon take the light. Let me just hurry so I can achieve something. I'm going to be setting my under eye with this shade. This one, that's the 220 hashtag. I just pray it's not too bright. I'm going to be setting my contour with this shade, the mocha. For the eyes, we're going in with our Isa and those 35 color day confidence plus matte and cream eyeshadows. And we said these eyes are going to be for the Yoruba side. This one is going, this one is going to be for the Igbo side. And yeah, so we're going to be using reds, yellows, greens. So as we go on, I'm going to be telling you guys what I'm using. I'm going to do this way I do my makeup. I just hope it comes out well, really, because so I'm going to be using Sex Addict. I feel like this Sex Addict is not giving me the red that I want, so I'm going to add Got. So we've done red. I'm going to use yellow to blend this out. I feel like green will just make it look funny. So I'm going to blend this out with yellow. I'm going to go in with a brush that doesn't have anything on it, and just, you know, just to make sure it blends well. In my mind, I'm cutting eye. Guys, growing up, whenever you're passing like where buses, conductors, or just where shops are, like building material shops, growing up as a little girl, you see men just cutting eye for you. Like, I hated that thing for so long. I felt it was disgusting until I got old. I just felt like, and I started, you know, seeing it with my mates, with my, you know, boozies, and I realized that it was like, it was sexy. I don't know how to do it, but before, if you cut eye for me, I would cry because I felt like it was, just, you were sexualizing me, because most men that would do that to a young girl, like, maybe I'm just overthinking it. Let me know in the comment section if you were ever winked at or caught eye at. Let me know. Going in with this brown, this one. This is called Twilight. So I'm going in with the Twilight. This Isa and those eyeshadows, they are very, very pigmented, guys. Like you can see, I'm not even adding anything. I'm not spraying. I'm not, like, they're pigmented. So yeah, see. I feel like this is very Igbo-ish, this Mapun, but no, Mapun was, let me use Mapun. I feel like Mapun, like, it's a color that Igbo people use. It's kind of earthy. So I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going to use this to blend this color. I just want to give it a bit of life. And Igbos also use yellows, really. Going in with the coffee brown. Why am I just winking? This over winking, I'm winking. I don't understand. So I'm going to be using this same random, you know, eyeliner that I use for my eyebrow, and I'm going to be using this to, you know, blacken my waterline. Okay. So I'm going to be doing my eyelash, you know, I'm going to be doing it off camera because, like, that shit is not easy for me to do. It's not something I want you guys to see. Like, I would take like 1 hour to do it now. So let me go off camera and I'll be back. So guys, I'm done with my lashes. Even though the lashes is having K-leg, but I'm done with my lashes. See what my problem is, this thing. Show you guys see. Show you guys see. Show you guys see. It's not going now. Show you guys see. See where it is. That's why I don't like doing this. See, just see. I'm going with my classic. I've had this blush for a very long time. You can see very classic, the shade. I'm going in with this. I'm going to apply this like really small because I don't want to hear. So yeah. So if you're a mom like me, you don't need to break the bank to have like good makeup. You can mix things. You can use like correct things. You can use, you know, affordable things. You can mix, or you can just use what you have and still, you know, look very beautiful. There's nothing this kind that I have here. there's nothing like, I don't even have that kind of money to even have anything dish kind. So, you know, please don't cut off necks, don't break banks just to buy makeup, please. I'm going to contour, like hot contour. I feel like Yoruba's contour, hot contour. So I'm going to be contouring hot contour in the contour this side. I'm going to be doing a light one here. So I'm going with the mocha, that's my contour shade, and I'm going to be using this contour. And I'm going to be using this my face shade to contour this side. That's it to show. I want my highlight, my nose to pop, so I'm going to be, you know, hey, the winking the winking today is too much. I'm just winking. Hey, this makeup is so fine. It's so fine. Let me remove this. See, I use the same brushes for different things because I like my things to blend no matter what. I'm going to be going in with this nude, Get It Nude. So these random things I bought in my local supermarket. I'm going to be using this to highlight. One thing I like about this highlight is you have to build it up. It's not the kind of highlight where if you just put it, you'll just be like Jesus, like fainting. So that's one thing I like about it. So I'm going to use this one that I used to contour to just blend here and here because I don't want this highlight to pop out my contour. So yeah, one of the final things I always do, I still go back to my eyebrow. I touch it because, guys, from the over touching of the face, everything has cleaned. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. Please show. What do you guys think? So get it. So let me, you know, spray with my ZKL sealed makeup fixing spray. So I'm confused. Should I do half and half lips or I should just do full lips? What do you guys think? I want to use this Issa and Do's All Day Confidence lip stain in blue red. I think Igbos like red lips. When I look at Igbo people's makeup, I feel I see red lips a lot, and Yoruba people, I see red lips a lot. I'm just lining my lips with my brown Daffy's eyeliner. So guys, I'm so scared. Guys, I'm not a red lip kind of girl, even though it's nice. I'm not done. I just realized I'm not done. My waterline, I have to do something under there. So for the Yoruba side, I'm going in with green. This is green. I feel like this green is going to do it for me. These ones are kind of, you know, let me use this for my under eye. I'm going to go in with creasing for the Igbo side, because I feel like this is earthy red and Igbos do earthy things a lot, so I'm going to be using that for my, you know, like, guys, I don't know the one to choose. Both of them are so pretty, so perfect. Like, hey. See, I had to use like the red for the Yoruba side, right? And I had to use the black for the Igbo side. At least let it be the black thing that I did, because I cannot be putting black on this eye. So what do you guys think about this look? Which one did you prefer? Did you prefer the Yoruba side or did you prefer the Igbo side? For me, I can't even choose because both of them are really pretty, guys. I don't look pregnant. If you see me, you even know I'm pregnant. If you look at me from, like, if you're just watching my video for the first time, you'll be like, this girl, like, pregnant. How? Guys, I'm heavily pregnant, like heavily prego. Okay, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this look. If you loved it, give me a big thumbs up. Don't bring negativity. Like I said before, this is not a tribalism thing. This is just to have fun. You can see it came out really beautiful. I just represented the colors of the Yoruba people and the colors of the Igbo Igbo people in my mind. I feel like that's our colors, right? In my mind, this is my Yoruba-ness. This is the Yoruba me. Like if I was a Yoruba girl, this is the look I'll be going for. But I'm an Igbo girl, so. But leave in my mind, this Yoruba one is looking dope. Oh, leave like. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I hope you guys also love it and recreate this look. Do your own version of Yoruba, Igbo makeup looks and tag me on Instagram, tag me on YouTube. You know, I want to see what you guys will come up with. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get you notified, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to show me love, okay? Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy my video, you know. And don't forget to follow the Kai Mama on Instagram, Diaryofanabujamom. And don't forget to leave your comments, very important. And don't forget to watch my videos to the end. Like, I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, Tulu. One of my favorite Igbo songs are this song. One of my classmates, then she brought to, like, she started singing and all of us used to sing it in class. Then the song was Christina Bwenyi Wanyi Yo Yo, Christina Buronyi Galomo Yo, Christina Afufuntara Makaniga Komugo Ye. I cannot remember the words again, really. I cannot remember the lyrics, but that song, it was so crazy. And we used to sing it in class. Then shout out to FGCCOwerri girls, you know, shout out to all of us. Like, what the dopest school in my mind. Let me know in the comment section if you also went to FGCCOwerri, like, what the dopest. Guys, I was like I was a comedian in school. I was the kind girl in school. I was the song composer. I used to compose, like, I used to, you know, bring up songs then. So shout out to me, Dekagora, the kind mama of Abuja.